Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2016 Toyota Avalon XLE Premium. It has a clean Carfax with only one previous owner and comes with power heated mirrors with signals, chrome trim, tinted glass, and much more. 17-inch machined finish alloy wheels and performance tires with lots of tread. Fully automatic projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, and a strong 6-cylinder automatic with only 17,313 miles. The quasi-dual exhaust, the large LED brake lights, a spacious cargo area with a pass-through, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders and a power outlet. The heated leather front bucket seating, a garage door opener, a push-button start, a locking glove box, and a leather-wrapped steering wheel with convenience controls. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the entertainment and navigation touchscreen with Bluetooth and voice recognition, and a backup camera with guidelines to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.